It's looking fine, Kashvi. It's absolutely fine. Don't touch it now. Just leave it like that. We'll start with the water area now. You have to see first. And Mantra, I think yours is correct because of the light from your behind. That's why it's looking like this. Okay? You use the right colors. Yes, right, Varnika. Correct. You need to actually blend this red into orange. I can see that lining separate. Move your brush lightly, okay, from both sides. Yes, Mantra, you're saying something? Yes. Fine, no problem. It's okay. Just leave that part. Let's start with the water now. All of you. Now we have to take this round brush, okay? Apply lines, horizontal lines under the sun area like this, okay? First, apply white lines. Without washing your brush, you can take some yellow, okay? See, yellow and white. You have to apply like this in a horizontal line. Apply the strokes of white and yellow. You can start doing, quickly do it. Quickly apply white and yellow lines under the sun. Where you drew the sun, make the lines like this. Quickly do it, then I'll show you the next step. Quickly apply the lines of white and yellow. So, Kashvi, do it 2 to 3 times when you are doing. Okay? You have to do layering. In watercolors, we have to do layering because the colors are not too dense. They are transparent. So you need to do layering. Okay, after applying the yellow and white lines, now apply yellow on the side, only yellow with the flat brush. After applying yellow and white in the middle, apply only yellow on both sides like this. Okay, apply only yellow on both sides and lightly move your brush in the middle. Lightly, you have to move your brush very lightly in the middle. Yes. Lemon yellow, pale yellow, cardamom yellow, golden yellow. Okay. See, apply yellow on both sides of the white, then orange. Move your brush horizontally when you're doing this. Only orange. No, it's only orange. First apply, first apply only orange. Okay. Then on the sides, you can make red lines like this. First, you have to apply white and yellow lines in the middle. Then you have to apply, wait, let me finish. Then you have to apply yellow on both sides. Then you have to apply orange on both sides. And then about 1 centimeter space you have to leave for the red color. Okay? Then apply red. Now, time to blend the colors. See? Now you have to take some water in your brush and move on the red and yellow lightly for blending many times. Move your brush all together on orange and yellow. See, earlier we made short strokes of orange, short strokes of red. Now you have to take long strokes. Make long strokes and merge yellow and orange. Listen carefully first, Peter. First see and then do it. Then we have to move your brush in yellow and orange. Now make your strokes longer, even more longer, taking yellow also. Okay, now we are taking the yellow color as well. Every time you have to dip your brush in water when you do this. Okay, take little water in your brush for doing it, because you know the colors, they very quickly dry. So we have to make our brush little wet before doing this. See, the strokes are long now. Now, for what we have to do next is, now move your brush in the middle. Make long strokes. Okay, every time wash again, start again. Let me finish, then I'll ask you your questions. Okay, just keep looking here, all of you. Merge yellow, orange, red. Any point of time you feel you need to apply the color again, you can. Please mute yourself. Yes. Cambridge you can use. Yes, you can use that one. That can be used. Yes. See, after I'm making some more lines of red color again for creating little depth in the painting. Once you're done with the shading, okay, once you have done with the shading, just highlight the sides more with red color. Apply some more red and mix it with orange. Lightly move your brush because we need that lines. Whenever you're making the water now, I have explained this earlier also, the lines should be visible. Okay, please take care of your mics. Move your brush with the side, when we apply the color, we move our brush like this. But when you're doing this effect, you have to move your brush from side to side. Or you can use a round brush also. If you're not able to do it with a flat brush, you can use a round brush for this effect. And make sure that you're moving your brush horizontally every time when you do this. Okay? This is how you have to do it. Once you're done, you can highlight the white again. using a round brush. I hope you have understood, all of you. If you have any queries, let me know. I'll explain again how you have to do it. Yes, Hitanshi. See, red and orange, you have to blend separately. You have to overlap the brush on each other. Okay? I will send you the video also. You can see and do it later. Okay? Now I'm going to start with the remaining part. For this, I'm using a black color and number 6 round brush. You can use number 3 also. 3 to 6, any number you can use. When you're doing the grass lines, move your brush from bottom to top so that you have thick line at the bottom and pointed at the top. I'm not filling black like I did in my previous painting. See, previously we did it like this, and all the kids they made a mess out of this. So I'm not doing that way. You just make the lines of grass, the weeds, okay? Don't do the black color at all for the grass. Only the long grass lines you can make. You can add some stones also here, like this. Yeah, and you can make that directly with the brush. See, like this. You can make the oval shape stones with directly with the brush. Okay? No need to do it before, you know. And see, you can make few more thin lines and then dab your brush like this to make it like a weed, like this. Number 3 or number 6 brush you can use. and just add some weeds here and there. No, you have to add it between the grass. No, that's your choice. You want to do, you can. It's optional. If you want to do, you can. And when you are doing the sun now, we need to change our water and wash the brushes. Use this white color for the sun. Yeah, show me. Yes, absolutely. Very good. So we'll have to apply two coats of white, because of the red color at the bottom. It may look little orangish when you do it for the first time. So apply the layer of white, merge it really well, let it dry and do it one more time. Okay? For the best results. Now the zero number brush we have to use to do the birds, or you can do with a marker. Yeah, show me. Yeah, that's right. But there is one mistake, Hitanshi. Never use your brush vertically when you're doing the water area. That is a big mistake. I can see that your colors are blending vertically. No, don't do that. See, you will not get the effect. You need to move your brush horizontal. Even if you apply the color vertically now, you have to give the finishing horizontally. Okay, Hitanshi, that is the only mistake. Rest is all good. I'm highlighting some grass with yellow color and then we'll be done. Okay, you all can complete the painting later and send me the picture. Okay, do send me your work. Yes, you can show me your work first and then, yeah, you showed, na? Yeah, fine. Well done. Looks beautiful. Yeah, sure. No problem. Yeah, show me. Yeah, that's right. That's right.